I have reached the airport and this is my Namma Bengaluru airport. First purchase. Landed. Now I'm on my way to pick up my luggage and then I'll see you guys after I check into the hotel. Is the Goa airport. This is a North Goa airport because it's closer to the location. Now I am going to board the cab. It's freaking hot here. It's so hot here. Goa please be kind. And I have reached. Quick room tour. So this is my room for next 3 days, I think. This is the sitting area and just ordered the lunch. Now I'm gonna have the lunch. So to the hotel room now. I just got off from the shoot. आज कुछ भी vlogging कुछ भी करने नहीं हुई because today is the first day and I thought I will finish the work quickly. उसके बाद वो vlog करेंगे. But I'm literally tired right now. The first thing, the first priority has to be remove this entire makeup. That's our first priority. Now I'm gonna quickly change into my comfortable outfit and yeah, we are going to the pool party right now. After the pool party we are going out for the dinner and then I might sleep early tonight because tomorrow there's something special. So I don't think so I'll be able to vlog right now, but yes, if I vlog I'll keep the clips here and there, but stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog.